Marketing NYC, and today I would like to talk about Klaviyo Smart Sending. So first of all, what is Smart Sending is? Smart Sending, basically, this is the feature in Klaviyo which says if person received email in the last 16 hours, this is by default 16 hours, you can decrease or increase the number of hours, but basically in 16 hours, and you said do not send them any other email, because person can be in two different flows or two different flows plus you sending campaign, and instead of bombarding that person with 3 different emails in one day, you want to, let's say you don't want to send them 3 emails, you want to send only 1 email. So that's why Smart Sending is good features. When you turn it on, that person will receive only 1 email, and the other 2 will be skipped. This is important part. Those emails will be skipped. They will not be delayed. For example, if you have in the flow 10 emails and you have Smart Sending on, and let's say each email you're sending each email every 15 hours, the first email you will send, the second will be skipped, and third will be sent, fourth will be skipped, and fifth. So this is very important for you to know, because if you have like some kind of like soap opera emails sequence, and you in each email you have continuation of the first email, it's not recommended to turn on Smart Sending, because you want them to receive all emails to get the full story or full funnel, sales funnel, or full sales funnel message for them to convert. Because if they start skipping email, they will miss the content, and it will not make sense for them why they're receiving why they are not receiving other information. So basically how to do it. So first, you should define how many hours, if you want to use Smart Sending, you need to understand what the right timing for you. So when you go to your account, on the top right corner, you click on account, and under settings and under email settings, scroll down. Here you have smart sending hours period, which represent how many hours it will consider. So let's say if they receive in the last 16 hours, they will not receive any other emails until that 16 hours will pass. So you can modify this. So first you can use Smart Sending in campaigns. When you create a campaign, you have send this campaign to everyone, or use Smart Sending. Yes, do not send this campaign to people who received email in the last 16 hours. So this is, let's say if you send a campaign and somebody in abandonment cart flow or any other flow, they will be this email. They will not receive this email if you click yes next to Smart Sending. The same thing for flows. Let's go to flows and let's go to this pre-purchase. By default, I like to turn off Smart Sending, because I don't want people to skip messages. I might use Smart Sending only in campaigns, but not in the flows, because if I use in the flows, I have defined strategy, what kind of message they receive, and if I use a Smart Sending, the message will be missed, and it defeat the purpose of email marketing strategies that I create. So basically, on the right side, when you click on the message, on the right side, you click Smart Sending, and you can turn it on and click yeah. And here, I'll show you right now. Right here, you can see the Smart Sending is on. You can turn it off, and that's it. So this is how you use Smart Sending, and what's the difference between using and not using Smart Sending in Klaviyo. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click like button below. Please Comment below and let me know what other videos you would like to see on this YouTube channel. Also, if you are not subscribed yet, click subscribe button below and click on the bell button to receive notifications when we release new video. We release new tutorial every day and educational video every Thursday.